The upcoming Paris Paralympics. Moving on, 19-year-old Avani Lekra earlier made history at the Tokyo Paralympics 3 years ago when the Jaipur girl became the first female athlete to win a gold for India at the Paralympics. She was just 19 then. Now Avani Lekra sets her sights on another gold at Paris Paralympics. In an exclusive conversation with DD India correspondent Narayan Singh, Avani appreciated the facilities provided by the government to the Indian athletes.
Paris also. So how the preparations are going on?
Thank you so much for having me. It is very nice to go to my second Paralympic Games. I'm very excited, and this time I will be participating in 3 events. So I'm focusing on them, and hopefully when I go there, I'll win medals for my country.
Definitely, you are the champion in the Tokyo Games, and now you will defend your gold there. So how difficult to defend a medal, especially the gold medal in the event like Olympics, Paralympics?
So when you go to this big platform for the first time, there is nervousness, and you want to go there and win medal. But the first time when I went there, it was more like to gain experience. And when I went and I won a gold, I definitely feel that there will be a lot more expectations from me, from the country, from myself also. But I'm not taking that, something which is stopping me from performing the best that I can be there, or from focusing on my process. I would just want to take this as a motivation, so I'll just go there and leave all these things behind when I go to the lane, and will only try to focus on my process and take one shot at a time.
Talking about the facilities in the sports right now, we talked to the coaches during the Paris Olympics. They said that the facilities is at par with the developed countries, especially in the Games Village, in the Paris Games also. The coaches, the support staff is saying that the Indian athletes have the better facilities than that of US and Europeans. So do you see a change in the Indian sporting arena considering the facility they are getting right now?
I definitely feel that we have improved as a country from last time, and I see a lot more inclusion awareness for able-bodied as well as Paralympic athletes, and government is supporting a lot. And I think this time when I'm seeing there, like for shooting, we have seen a lot more gain in the number as well. A lot of people are participating; they're also getting inspired. So I think we are going the right way.
So right now the Indian sports is going in the right way, and the way Avani said that they are getting immense facilities, and definitely the way she had trained, she has practiced, we are hoping that she will defend the gold she won in the Tokyo Paralympics. With camera person Kamlesh, Narayan Singh, DD India, Delhi.